It's time. Thursday Night Football is here. The Chiefs and the Broncos.
We're back to what we do. Let's start fast. We gotta dominate tonight, man. Dominate all phases of the game, bro.
On 3rd and 3, Mahomes under pressure, throws it left, caught by Hartman inside the 5, touchdown! An outstanding concentration catch by McCole Hardman, the rookie. From the pocket, Flacco, buried, ball's loose! Alex Okafor came blasting in to get the sack.
He worked.
4th and 4 Broncos. Wadman is going to fake it. He's going to run to the left side. He's headed down. He goes. And the Chiefs have the football at the Broncos 37-yard line. Mahomes sneaks it. Mahomes may be hurt.
He got you, boy. Go win the game.
Now the defense has to carry the day. Being pressured, he's hit. The ball's out. The ball is picked up by Ragland. Touchdown, Kansas City. Flacco, pump faking. He's going to be sacked for a 5th time.
Hey, I see you, boy.
Faking, down he goes again. And the sack parade continues. 9 sacks for Kansas City. Goes a corner pattern right, caught, touchdown, Kansas City. Kendall, it is really hard not to be proud of these guys after what's happened the last 2 weeks. Final score, Chiefs 30, Broncos 6.
Back on track, baby.
Take care of yourself this weekend. Enjoy yourself. Be smart. You got more to go, baby.